Good morning everyone. This presentation is all about quality circle. What are the basics of quality circle? What are the basic principles of quality circle? So let's start our journey and understand how quality circle works. Let's understand how many steps are there in a quality circle. So there are total 12 steps in a whole quality circle. First step is identification of work related problems. Second is selection of problem. Third step is define the problem. Fourth step, analyze problem. Fifth step is identification of probable causes. Sixth step is finding out the root cause. Then seventh step, data analysis. Eighth step, developing solution. Ninth, forcing probable resistance. 10th, trial implementation and performance check. 11th is regular implementation and 12th is follow up and review. So these are the total 12 steps of quality circle. So let's understand these steps one by one in details. Our first step is identification of work related problems. In this step, the group of people of quality circle sit together and note down all the work related problems based on the categories quality, cost, delivery, morale and safety. So first list down all the problems of your work area and then we select a category. In this I am giving an example of quality, but it will depend on your KPI. Account people will select the cost category. Here we have selected quality. Our second step is selection of problem. In this step, the further selected quality problems will be categorized into A, B, C category. As shown in the video, A category is which can be solved as within your department, and B category problems are those in which we required help of some other departments within your unit, and C category are the problems in which we need a support of management. The higher level support is required in this category. So after categorizing all these problems in ABC, we will start working on our A category problems. So we will select these problems for further analysis. Now from all these A category problems, you have to prioritize that which problem is contributing maximum. So you can make a Pareto chart to prioritize all these problems. From a Pareto chart we can check which problem is contributing how much and select maximum contributing problem. After selecting problem from a Pareto chart, make a activity plan for your whole quality circles as the format shown in the video. You can use your own format also. Make a activity plan for how much time you are going to complete each step. Our next step is third step, define the problem. In this step we define the problem, we give the details what actually the problem is, and in this step we also check the effect of the problem, effect on the company, effect on the customer, how this is affecting our business. So note down all the effects so that after completion of project you can compare your data and show management how your project is effective for the company. Check a problem generating area. We can make a process flow and check which is the problem generating area. Step is analyze the problem. In this step we analyze the problem, check what are the factors which can affect the problem generation. Suppose in which shift problem is generating maximum. Is it generated by a single person maximum time? Is it generated on a special time? Is it generated on a special line? After analyzing the problem, we will set a goal, a target using a SMART method for our project. How much we are going to reduce the problem, we will define in this step. In fifth step, identification of probable causes. You can make a fishbone diagram based on the 5M man, machine, material, method, measurement. You can take environment or mother nature also, then it will become a 6M. Or you can take all the factors which are related to your unit. Sixth step is finding of the root cause. This is the most important step. In this step, when we find out the all probable causes using fishbone diagram, we will first validate those probable causes, and after selecting the valid and invalid causes, the valid causes will be used for doing a YY analysis to finding out the root cause. After finding out all the root causes, we will validate these root causes by data analysis. We'll find out all these root causes are actually a root cause or this is a wrong information. So we will establish all the root causes. In our eighth step, developing solution, we will develop the solutions against each root cause. In this step, the team will generate ideas by sitting together and decide which actions can be taken against each root cause. Ninth step is forcing probable resistance. In this step, we forcing all the resistance which can be faced. We'll assume which can be faced during the implementation. 10th step is trial implementation and performance check. In this step, we make a trial on a single unit, which are the actions we have decided against each root cause. So we do a trial implementation and check the performance of those trials, whether those trials are successful or not. In 11th step of regular implementation, if all our trials are successful, we will implement them all the remaining stations, remaining units for a regular implementation. Last and final step is follow up and review. In this step, we follow up and review all the performance of all our actions taken against the categories in which we have set our target. In this segment, we compare before and after condition of the project. In starting of the project, what was the condition, and after completion all the regular implementation, what are the condition now. In this step also, note down all the benefits from this project so that you can present it to your management successfully. So friend, this was all about basics of quality circle. Thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. In our next presentation, we will go step by step and know all the tools and techniques used in the quality circle. Once again, thanks for watching. Thank you.